Welcome to the 411 on making money online. In this video, we will look at 5 proven ways to make money online. Whether you are looking for some extra cash on the side or completely replace your day job, this video may be for you. In this digital age, more and more people are turning to the internet as a source of income. With endless possibilities and opportunities available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. Making money online may seem like a daunting task, but with the right guidance and determination, it is more achievable than ever before. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to make some serious cash without ever leaving your home. But first, some fun facts. The first online purchase was made on August 11th, 1994 for a Sting CD. The average person spends over 6 hours a day online. E-commerce sales reached $4.5 trillion in 2021. Over 57 million Americans earn their primary income through freelance work. And the top 5 highest earning YouTube channels made a combined total of $127 million in 2019. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Here are some proven methods for making money online. Number 1, freelance work. Freelancing has become a popular way to make money online, and for good reasons. With platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer, you can offer your skills and services to clients from all over the world. Whether you're a writer, designer, or programmer, there is a demand for your talents. And the best part, you get to set your own rates and work on projects that interest you. Number 2, affiliate marketing. If you have a strong online presence and a niche audience, then affiliate marketing may be the perfect fit for you. By promoting products or services through your social media or website, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate link. This is a great way to make passive income while also building relationships with different brands. Number 3, online surveys. Believe it or not, you can get paid just for sharing your opinion. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback and are willing to pay for it. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars offer cash or gift card rewards for completing surveys. While this may not make you rich, it is an easy way to earn some extra income on the side. Number 4, create and sell digital products. If you have a creative side, why not turn your passion into profit? With platforms like Etsy, Teachers Pay Teachers, and Creative Market, you can sell digital products such as ebooks, printables, graphics, and even mini courses, just to name a few. The best part is that once the product is created, it can be sold an unlimited number of times. Number 5, YouTube. If you have a talent for creating video content, then YouTube may be a perfect platform for you. With over 2 billion monthly active users, there is no shortage of audience on this video sharing website. You can monetize your videos through ad revenue by partnering with brands for sponsorships and through affiliate marketing through your posting of your special link. Just remember to always create quality and engaging content that resonates with your audience. And there you have it, 5 proven ways to make money online. Remember to stay persistent and continue exploring new opportunities. Whether you choose to freelance or create your own digital products, the opportunities are endless in this digital age. Whether you are just starting out or you have been doing this for a while, remember that success is a journey, not a destination. With endless possibilities available, you never know what amazing opportunities are waiting for you. The digital world is out there for you to tap into its capabilities. With determination, hard work, and a positive attitude and mindset, you can achieve financial freedom while doing something you love. It doesn't get any better than that. We hope you enjoyed this video and it has given you valuable insight and inspiration to start your journey towards financial freedom by making money online. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more valuable content, and share this video with those who may be interested. Until next time.